Hold on.
Okay.
Go ahead.
Hi, my name's Angelique, and I came across Who Got Hector by a friend. He was recommended to me because I was having serious issues with my boyfriend, and pretty much I was like really depressed, but I came to Who Got Hector, and he gave me a very descriptive reading. He gave me details that only I and my boyfriend would know about. So his reading was really, it was an eye-opener. So pretty much I was ready to get the work done because I was tired of my boyfriend going out and cheating on me and lying to me. So he let me know what he could do. And I kind of was a little anxious because my boyfriend was still doing the normal things. And he told me that he could fix it. And he did. And actually it happened. He told me it would happen within like 45 days. But my man came back to me like around in 30 days. He hasn't left, and he's been with me ever since. And he hasn't been anywhere. He just stays in the house, and he does what I ask him to do within reason. But Who Got Hector saved my relationship, and I'm really happy that I found him.